Paris, the capital city of France, often referred to as the City of Light, captivates not only with its stunning architecture, rich art, and profound history, but also with its mesmerizing nightlife. As the sun sets, the shimmering lights of this iconic city come to life, creating an enchanting atmosphere that tells a myriad of stories, from glamorous parties filled with elegance and excitement to the shadowy, lesser-known sides that rarely come to light. Paris, the city of light that never truly sleeps, boasts an enchanting nightlife that dazzles in every corner. Each district offers a unique experience, ranging from glittering nightclubs to intimate and elegant wine bars. The city's nightlife beautifully reflects the rich cultural tapestry and vibrant lifestyle of its residents, ensuring its charm remains timeless. Let's explore some of Paris's most popular districts. Le Marais is a haven for those seeking a relaxed yet stylish atmosphere. This district is home to a variety of bars and clubs catering to diverse tastes. Its narrow cobblestone streets add to the charm, creating the perfect setting for socializing and enjoying the evening. Whether you're looking for chic lounges or lively clubs, Le Marais delivers an unforgettable night out. Famous for its strong bohemian vibe, Montmartre exudes artistic heritage at every turn. This area features alternative bars, live music performances, and classic cafes that harken back to a bygone era. With its unique character and vibrant energy, Montmartre is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a more eclectic nightlife experience. Situated on the left bank of the Seine River, Saint-Germain-des-Prés is renowned for its luxurious wine bars and legendary jazz clubs. This district radiates unparalleled elegance, offering a sophisticated atmosphere that attracts those who appreciate refined nightlife experiences. From soulful jazz tunes to exquisite wine tastings, Saint-Germain-des-Prés promises a night of pure indulgence. Paris's nightlife wouldn't be complete without mentioning Pigalle, an iconic district known as the heart of entertainment in the city. Pigalle is home to the legendary cabaret Moulin Rouge, which has captivated visitors for decades with its dazzling performances. Beyond the cabaret, the area boasts a mix of diverse bars and clubs that offer a lively and unforgettable atmosphere, perfect for those looking for a taste of Paris's more eclectic side. Meanwhile, Canal Saint-Martin has become a hotspot for the younger crowd. With its picturesque canals lined with hipster bars and laid-back bistros, this district offers a more casual yet trendy vibe. It's the ideal place to unwind, enjoy a good drink, and mingle in a relaxed setting that feels both modern and quintessentially Parisian. Paris is a paradise for music enthusiasts, offering a rich variety of genres from rock and jazz to electronic beats. Legendary venues like Le Bataclan and La Machine du Moulin Rouge are must-visits for their iconic status and diverse performances. For those seeking something more alternative, La Station, a converted railway station, combines art, live music, and unique entertainment in an innovative space. For a contemporary take on nightlife, Paris features world-class nightclubs, rooftop bars, and vibrant cultural festivals. The renowned Rex Club is a mecca for electronic music lovers, hosting top-tier DJs from around the globe. For a breathtaking view of the Paris skyline, Le Perchoir, a chic rooftop bar, offers a sophisticated ambiance paired with stunning vistas. Wanderlust, an open-air club by the Seine, blends live music with captivating art exhibitions, creating a one-of-a-kind nightlife experience. Beyond its clubs and bars, Paris also shines with its night festivals that bring the city alive. Nuit Blanche, held every October, transforms the city into an all-night celebration of art, featuring installations, performances, and exhibits across various locations. On June 21st, the streets come alive for Fête de la Musique. a citywide festival offering free live music performances in nearly every corner of Paris. For electronic music fans, Paris Electronic Week in September offers a week-long celebration with workshops, showcases, and unforgettable parties. For those who appreciate a more traditional ambiance, Paris offers night markets brimming with authentic culinary treasures such as crepes, escargots, and macarons. One of the most beloved destinations for sampling local flavors is Rue Claire, a charming street that immerses visitors in the city's authentic food culture and vibrant atmosphere. Paris also shines with its cabaret performances, a timeless art form that combines music, dance, and dazzling theatrics on a single stage. Iconic venues like Moulin Rouge, Crazy Horse, and Paradis Latin deliver a perfect blend of glamour and world-class entertainment, making them unmissable highlights of the city's nightlife. For a more relaxed and family-friendly experience, places like Rosa Bonheur offer open-air settings ideal for gatherings. Situated in some of Paris's most beautiful parks, these venues feature child-friendly activities alongside great food and drinks, creating a welcoming environment for all ages. From the glittering world of cabarets to the charm of authentic night markets, Paris's nightlife is a living testament to the city's elegance, imagination, and cultural vibrancy. Each district and venue tells its own unique story, offering unforgettable experiences that capture the magic of Paris after dark. Whether you seek the sophistication of a cabaret or the warmth of traditional French cuisine, the nights in Paris promise to leave an indelible impression. Paris's vibrant nightlife owes much to its thriving LGBTQ+ community, which has established the city as a beacon of inclusivity and celebration. The district of Le Marais is the heart of this scene, bustling with dynamic bars and clubs like Banana Cafe and Who's, where everyone is welcomed with open arms. Events such as Wet for Me and La Nuit des Folivores provide exuberant, inclusive experiences, showcasing the creativity and spirit of Paris's LGBTQ+ nightlife. As the city of love, Paris also offers countless enticing options for couples looking to spark romance. Exclusive shopping experiences at love stores like Au Passage du Désir feature everything from luxurious lingerie by designers such as Chantal Thomas to charming gifts meant to ignite passion. For a more daring atmosphere, bars like Maison Souquet and Rasputin, a former Belle Époque bordello, provide a seductive backdrop, perfect for couples seeking a sultry night out. Those desiring a more intimate and unique experience can visit Théâtre Chochotte, known for its personal and evocative performances. Whether it's celebrating diversity in Le Marais or indulging in Paris's flair for romance, the city's nightlife offers something special for everyone. With its mix of inclusivity, sensuality, and unparalleled elegance, Paris ensures that the magic of love and joy is felt long after the sun is set. Paris, celebrated globally as the City of Light and a symbol of romance, also harbors a darker, often overlooked reality. The Red Light District in Pigalle is a prime example, known for its adult entertainment venues, sex shops, and controversial associations with prostitution. This area, while a hub of nightlife activity, also sheds light on the complexities and moral challenges of the entertainment industry in the city. Behind the sparkle of Paris's vibrant nightlife lies a troubling issue: the exploitation of vulnerable individuals. Human trafficking and human rights violations remain a hidden undercurrent in parts of the adult entertainment industry. While prostitution is not entirely illegal in France, practices such as pimping and street prostitution are strictly banned. In 2016, the government introduced fines of up to $1,500 for customers of prostitution in an effort to curb demand and reduce exploitation. However, these measures have yet to fully address the systemic challenges, as many individuals remain trapped in exploitative and inhumane conditions. Estimates suggest that approximately 18,000 women are involved in commercial sex work in France, the majority under coercion or facing circumstances that leave them with no viable alternative. Children, particularly those from Romania, West Africa, and North Africa, are especially vulnerable to forced prostitution. A 2022 survey conducted by 69 associations interviewed 2,675 victims, revealing that 76% had experienced sexual exploitation, 15% labor exploitation, and 7% were forced into criminal activities. While Paris dazzles with its elegance and allure, these hidden issues call attention to the stark realities many face within the shadows of its glamour. Efforts to address these challenges require greater awareness, stricter enforcement of protections, and a commitment to supporting victims in finding safe and sustainable alternatives. The numbers reflecting exploitation in Paris are merely the tip of the iceberg, as many victims remain undetected. Despite its captivating charm, Paris continues to grapple with significant challenges in addressing the darker side of its nightlife. Tackling this issue requires firm measures and a collective global effort to effectively combat human exploitation. Beyond labor exploitation, Paris's nightlife districts are often hotspots for petty crimes targeting tourists. One of the most common schemes involves scams at bars and clubs, where unsuspecting visitors are lured by so-called guides into establishments that charge exorbitant prices for drinks. Pickpocketing is another prevalent threat, especially in crowded areas like metro stations or major tourist attractions. There have even been reports of fake taxis charging inflated rates or taking unnecessarily long routes to exploit unwary travelers. Pigalle, with its long-standing reputation as a vibrant entertainment hub, has a rich and colorful history. During World War II, Allied soldiers dubbed it the Pig Alley, due to its seedy reputation. Despite this, Pigalle played a pivotal role in shaping Paris's artistic and entertainment heritage, giving rise to iconic cultural staples like cabaret and the world-famous Moulin Rouge. In recent years, local authorities have taken steps to revitalize Pigalle, making it safer and more appealing to visitors while retaining its historical charm. Efforts to clean up the district have seen improvements, yet Pigalle remains a place of striking contrasts. Its sex shops and adult shows continue to be a defining feature, creating an intriguing blend of allure and controversy. While Paris dazzles with its artistic and cultural vibrancy, these darker facets remind us of the city's complex realities. Striking a balance between preserving its unique character and ensuring safety for both locals and visitors is an ongoing challenge. Paris offers an enchanting nightlife, from sophisticated bars to lively clubs, making it an unforgettable destination. However, staying safe is key to fully enjoying these experiences. With some planning and caution, you can ensure a memorable and trouble-free night in the City of Light. To avoid scams and stay safe, it's important to remain alert and aware of your surroundings. Exploring areas like Pigalle is best done with friends or a partner, especially late at night. Having company not only enhances your safety, but also makes the experience more enjoyable. Stick to popular, well-lit areas and avoid deserted streets or isolated locations. Always purchase tickets from authorized sellers, whether it's for a cabaret show, a museum, or the metro. Avoid street vendors offering discounted or special deal tickets, as these are often counterfeit. Understanding common scams in Paris can also help you stay safe. Some of the most frequent scams include fake ticket sales outside metro stations or tourist attractions, the golden ring scam where someone pretends to find a gold ring and offers it to you expecting money, and free goods such as flowers or bracelets that come with unexpected demands for payment. Additionally, pickpocketing is a concern in crowded places like metro stations, tourist spots, and nightlife districts. So secure your belongings in zipped bags or money belts. Choose busy and well-trafficked areas to avoid undesirable situations. Before ordering drinks, always check the prices to prevent unexpectedly high bills. If you're heading home late at night, opt for official taxis or reputable online transportation services for added safety. Whenever possible, explore the city with friends for greater comfort and security. Nightlife in Paris can be expensive, but there are options to suit various budgets. Drinks like beer typically cost between $6 and $10. Wine ranges from $8 to $15, and cocktails can go up to $20. Many clubs charge an entry fee of $10 to $30, often including a free drink. Transportation costs, such as taxi fares within the city center, average between $10 and $25. With a bit of planning, you can enjoy a night out without overspending. Parisian nightlife reflects the city's rich cultural diversity and captivating charm. By staying mindful of safety and managing your budget wisely, your night in Paris can be both enjoyable and memorable. While there is a darker side to the city's nightlife, careful preparation ensures your experience remains positive and unforgettable.